Oh, hit the button again, Zach. You don't need any more shaving cream. Alright, get this side of his face over here. He's got a lot of shaving cream back here.
I'm going to.
Zach, look toward Drew so he can shave your...
Jackie, can you look out for me, buddy?
There you go. Good job, guys.
Raise up again. Raise up.
Look toward Drew, Zach, so he can get... Yeah, good job.
We don't need that no more. Quick. Touch your leg.
You didn't put the lid back on? Good job, Zach. That's nice, Drew. Good work, man. Getting him smooth. Look up, Zach. Let him get your chin. All right. I think you got him. You smooth, Zach? Zach, feel your face. Is it smooth? All right, you got him. You smooth, Zach? Drew do a good job?
Yes.
Yeah?
Daddy.
Let's see.
Get up. Get up. Come on here, buddy. Stop. Stop. And you're done. This is...
What do you say, Zach?